Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Preheat the oven to 180 degrees C and line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper cases. This creates consistent bake and easy release. Measure 115 grams unsalted butter, 200 grams sugar, 2 eggs, 240 ml milk, 300 grams flour, and 60 ml vegetable oil, precisely for balance. Sift 300 grams flour with 10 grams baking powder and 3 grams salt before creaming butter and sugar to aerate the batter and avoid dense cupcakes later. Cream butter and 200 grams sugar until pale and fluffy for 3 to 4 minutes. This incorporates air critical for rise. Add 2 eggs one at a time, scraping the bowl between additions to maintain a smooth emulsion and prevent curdling. Fold sifted dry mix into the wet ingredients alternately with 240 ml milk, starting and ending with the dry components, folding gently to keep batter airy and avoid overmixing, which causes tough cupcakes. Fill each paper case 2/3 full, roughly 40 to 45 grams batter per cup, so you produce 12 evenly sized cupcakes and avoid overflow. Bake at 180 degrees C for 18 to 22 minutes and test with a skewer. A clean skewer means done, slight crumbs mean perfect moist crumb. Cool cupcakes on a wire rack for 10 minutes inside the tin to set structure. Then remove and cool completely before icing to prevent melted frosting and soggy tops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.